Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options because Android restricts mock location access. This is the gate. Once done, open developer options and enable the mock location setting or choose a mock app. You must have a GPS spoofing app installed from the Play Store first, so install one now. This gives the app permission to inject location data. Without it, Android will ignore spoofed coordinates. Make sure you pick a reputable app to avoid security risks. Next, configure the spoofing app. Grant foreground location permission and any overlay or accessibility permissions it requests, because these let it run reliably. Then enter the coordinates you want, or create a route if you need simulated movement. Use joystick mode for manual control. Adjust the update interval and accuracy to balance realism versus battery drain. You do this because apps may flag unrealistic jumps. Smoother updates reduce detection risk. Finally, validate the change by opening Maps or a geotagging app to see the spoofed position appear. This confirms the pipeline works. If an app reverts to real GPS, clear that app's cache, toggle the mock app selection in developer options, and restart the device to reset services. If problems persist, make sure Google Play Services is up to date and revoke any conflicting location permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling airplane mode briefly can flush the hardware GNSS lock and force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.